Hey everyone, Jacob here with Forged Diesel Products. I'd like to show you guys a really cool product today that we have for any of you guys that have water and fuel sensors on your trucks. Whether that would be a 2001 to 2016 Chevy or GMC Duramax pickup truck, or maybe it's a 13 to 18 Ram pickup truck with the water separator mounted underneath the truck. We've got this really cool product for you that I believe is going to help you guys out a lot in your shops, or if you're a do-it-yourselfer. This is part number 490009. This product is our water and fuel wrench right here that's going to be able to do all of the different styles of the water and fuel sensors. So as you can see, the wrench has 4 different ends. This end with the 46 millimeter and the 41 millimeter can be used for any oddball sensors that you guys might run into that somebody's made that are not usually factory. The other end here is going to be for your 01 to 16 Duramax and 13 to 18 Cummins. So like I said, you can slide your wrench when it's on the filter right up in there. As you can see, it locks right into place and fits perfectly and nice and snugly. Like I say, guys, these are American-made products. We test these to make sure that you guys are getting the best quality and the best fitment that's out there. And as you can tell, super tight, not going to round your plastic things out, and just a lot better product. Same thing here on your metal ones. Obviously, you're not going to be worried about rounding those out, but they're a lot snugger. So some people have some wrenches like this out there, but definitely fitment-wise, as you guys know, this is a Forged Diesel product, and it's going to fit as an American-made product with American-made testing. So this wrench is super handy for you guys. It's one that you're going to want to get. It's great to have in your toolbox. It's super durable. If you have any questions, contact us at Forged Diesel Products or one of the authorized retailers that can get you helped out on getting one of these wrenches today.